I just got this from Home Depot, this Defiant wireless pack. I'm going to use it for my trains so I don't have to keep going under this track all the time after I build it. My back is kind of killing me, and I'm a little lazy to be doing that all the time. I don't think I can handle that. So anyway, there's two right there that I have. I only have one hooked up to the light just to show you how this works. And then I have another one hooked up to the fan over there, and you can see how that works because I'm just showing you how it works from far away. So let's hit 2, I think I did for the lights. So this is 2. Lights are on. So it lights up when you hit the button, like that. We're going to hit off. That's off. And that's on. It's pretty cool. That's going to help me out a lot, alright? Just tip, if anyone has a train table, that's definitely going to help you out a lot and turning on and off stuff, because, I mean, I don't leave stuff running on all the time. Oh, we got to check the fan. Here's the fan. What am I, about 20 feet away? Maybe 30? I'll go farther and I'll see, because it's supposed to work up to 80 feet. Ready? On. Fan is on. Fan is off. Fan is on. See? Girlfriend is gonna love that, at least. Well, probably not, but maybe. Who knows? We'll see. And that's it. I'm just showing you a little review of the 3-pack wireless indoor kit that I got from Lowe's.